Inspections are an important part of the home buying process. After you have an accepted offer, that is when you would do your inspections. And inspections can bring to light issues in the home that you would like to buy. Sometimes to fix those issues is thousands of dollars, and other times it's pennies on the dollar. So it's really important that you know what it is that you're getting yourself into. In this area of Connecticut, when we do inspections, we do a general building inspection, a septic inspection, we do a well inspection, we do water potability so that we can make sure that the water is safe to drink, and we do radon and air. I have put a link to the list of those inspections in the description for you, and you can download it whenever you'd like. Once you have all the reports in from the inspections, you get to take a look at them and discuss them with your realtor. And if you have questions beyond your realtor's scope of knowledge, feel free to call the inspectors who actually perform those tests, and they are a wealth of knowledge. This has been Richelle Ward with your Monday Market Minute, and I look forward to seeing you next week.